Hood classics. Hood classics.
Hey, how you doing? This is Kareem Williams from Keeping It Real with Lefty, and we got another food review. We had a legendary place that just opened called BirdTalk, and they have some of the most monumental chicken sandwiches to ever touch the great state of Arizona. Please believe it, please. We have a honey butter sandwich here, chicken sandwich. You can see that. That's so beautiful. We got the loaded fries here, oh so beautiful. And then we have a lemonade, oh so beautiful. So let's get into this. Let's taste this. I don't want to hold you guys. You see, this is such a beautiful thing right here. That is a game changer. That is a game changer. The honey butter is just so rich and tasty. Take another bite. This is what I call a great shrimp. Lemonade on point, as it should be. Now let's get into these fries. These fries have cheese, bacon, guys, when I tell you, when I tell you, this is comfort food at its finest. This is comfort food at its finest. 960 West University Drive. These guys just opened. The customer service is immaculate. Friendly people. You want to come spend your money with places like this. You want to come spend your money with friendly people that care about the food that they making for you. Please believe it, please. I'm going to get into this food, and I'm going to see you on the next video. The information will be in the description of where this place is located at. Right down the street from Buffalo Exchange. So, you know how it is. You know how it is. Holla if you can't know about it.
Hood classics. Hood classics.